Hello friends, today I will try to cover complete architecture tutorial of .NET. What is Microsoft .NET Framework? The .NET Framework is a software development platform developed by Microsoft. The framework was used to create applications. The first version of .NET Framework was released in the year 2002 and it is known as version 1.0 also. I will provide the whole list of .NET Framework versions later in this video. The .NET Framework can be used to create both form-based and web-based applications. The framework also supports various programming languages such as Visual Basic and C#. Here is the .NET Framework architecture diagram. This is the basic architecture of .NET Framework. Here are three layers in .NET Framework basic architecture. First one is CLR. It's known as Common Language Runtime. Second one, library, framework class library. And third is language. .NET component. The architecture of .NET Framework is based on following key component. Common Language Runtime, CLR. It is the main part in .NET Framework. It will have three different components also. Common Language Infrastructure, CLI, Common Type System, CTS, and Common Language Specification, CLS. So what is CLI? CLI has the following key feature like exception handling. What is that? Exception are errors which occur when the application is executed. For example, if an application tries to open a file on the local machine but file is not present. Garbage collection is the process of removing unwanted resources when they are no longer required. Example of garbage collection is the database connection is no longer required if the application has finished all operations on a database. Then the database connection may no longer be required. Common type system. What is that? CTS deals with the data type. It means C# has an int data type and VB.NET has integer data type. Hence a variable declared as an int in C# and integer in VB.NET. Finally, after compilation, use the same structure int32 form CTS. Common Language Specification, CLS. It is a subset of CTS. It defines a set of rules and restrictions that every language must follow which run under the .NET framework. The language which follow these set of rules are said to be CLS compliant. In simple word, CLS enables cross-language integration or interoperability. For example, if we talk about C# and VB.NET, then in C# every statement must have to end with a semicolon. It is also called statement terminator. But in VB.NET, each statement should not end with semicolon. The .NET framework includes a set of standard class libraries. For example, there is a class library with method to handle all file level operation. So there is a method which can be used to read the text from a file. Similarly, there is a method to write text to a file. Language. The type of application that can be built in .NET framework is classified broadly into the following categories. What is CLR? The main function of Common Language Runtime, CLR, is to convert the managed code into native code and then execute the program. So, what is managed code and native code? Managed code is something like that we are typing here in the application that is called managed code, that is understandable by the user. And the native code is finally the compiler build that code to understandable by the .NET framework. is called native code. Class library. The .NET framework includes a set of standard libraries. A class library is a collection of method and function that can be used for the core purposes. Language. The type of application that can be built in .NET framework is classified in the following categories like WinForms, ASP.NET, ADO.NET. What is these? WinForm. This is used for developing form-based application which would run on an end user machine like Notepad is an example of client-based application. ASP.NET. This is used for developing web-based application which are made to run on any browser such as Internet Explorer, Chrome or any other browser. Web application would be processed on a server which would have Internet Information Service installed. IIS is a Microsoft component which is used to execute an ASP.NET application. The result of the execution is then sent to the client machine and the output is shown in the browser. Next, what is ADO.NET? This is a technology is used to develop application to interact with database such as Oracle, Microsoft. .NET Framework Design Principle. The following design principle of the .NET Framework is what to make it very relevant to create .NET based application. Interoperability, portability, security and memory management. Interoperability. What is that? The .NET Framework provides a lot of background supports. Suppose if you had an application built on older version in .NET Framework like 2.0 and if you tried to run the same application on a machine which had the higher version of .NET Framework like 3.5 and 4.0, the application would still work. Microsoft ensured that older framework version can run that application with the latest version. Portability. Application built on the .NET Framework can be made to work on any Windows platform. In recent time, Microsoft is also envisioning to make Microsoft product work on other platforms such as iOS, Linux. Security. The .NET Framework has a good security mechanism. The built-in security mechanism help in both validation and verification of application. Each security mechanism is used to grant the user access to the code or to the running program. Memory management. The common language runtime does all the work or memory management. The .NET Framework has all the capability to see those resources which are not used by the running program. It would then release those resources accordingly. This is done via a program called Garbage Collector, which run as the part of .NET Framework. .NET Framework version list. I have talked about version list before in this video. Here is the list, version list. The first version is .NET Framework is 1.0 and the current version is Visual Studio 2019 and the framework version is 3.5 to 4.8. Here is the whole list. Summary. .NET is a programming language developed by Microsoft. It was designed to build applications which could run on the Windows platform. The .NET programming language can be used to develop form-based application, web-based application and web service also. Developer can choose from a variety of programming languages available on the .NET Frame platform. The most common one are VB.NET and C#. Thanks for watching.